Hello dear fans. Beta-carotene, what is it? Beta-carotene is an organic compound belonging to hydrocarbons and included in the group of carotenoids. In plant leaves, it is formed by photosynthesis. Beta-carotene is also called a plant pigment, as it gives a yellow-orange color to some vegetables and fruits. The substance is a provitamin of vitamin A. There is also a food supplement called beta-carotene, E160A. What is beta-carotene? Beta-carotene is very necessary for humans. It is called the elixir of youth, the source of longevity. In the body, it is converted into retinol, vitamin A, which strengthens the immune system and slows down age-related changes. The substance does not dissolve in water. However, it is exposed to organic solvent. Food additive beta-carotene, E160A, is a natural dye that is a part of the following products: carbonated drinks, yogurt, juices, condensed milk, bakery, confectionery, mayonnaise. It is obtained from plant materials, carrots, pumpkin. There are beta-carotene preparations, dietary supplements, that are not related to drugs. They are released in tablets, capsules, solution. Supplements are prescribed for the purpose of replenishing the deficiency of a useful substance in the body. Properties. Beta-carotene has an adaptogenic, immunostimulating effect. It is an antioxidant that can fight free radicals. Its valuable property is to provide protection against cancer. The substance significantly reduces the likelihood of neoplasms. He also has other useful qualities. 1. Prevents vascular and myocardial diseases by lowering the level of bad cholesterol, low-density lipoproteins. 2. Supports brain activity, especially in diseases of the central nervous system, age-related changes. 3. Improves the functioning of neurons. 4. It has a positive effect on the respiratory system, prevents the development of pathologies, including bronchitis, asthma, emphysema. 5. Reduces the likelihood of developing diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis. 6. Promotes the processes of restoration of the skin in the presence of damage to them. 7. Preserves the functions of vision, preventing age-related destruction of eye tissues. 8. Prevents pathologies of the musculoskeletal system. 9. Provides full development of the fetus in pregnant women. 10. Essential for breastfeeding mothers so that the composition of breast milk is optimal for the baby. When it enters the liver, beta-carotene is converted to retinol, vitamin A, which in turn is converted to retinoic acid. The substance stimulates the processes of constant renewal of the cellular composition, which explains its positive effect. Unlike vitamin A, beta-carotene is better absorbed and does not cause hypervitaminosis. Sources of beta-carotene is rich in fruits and vegetables of orange-yellow color. The undoubted leader in this regard is carrots. Other natural sources: vegetables, herbs. Pumpkin, zucchini, spinach, broccoli, white cabbage, green pea, sweet red pepper, salad, parsley, sorrel, celery, onion feathers. Good sources of beta-carotene are the following fruits and berries: nectarines, peaches, apricots, mango, rosehip, plums, melon, persimmon, sea buckthorn, cherry. The amount of compound in the product varies depending on the variety, season, storage method. Vegetables and fruits of yellow color have the lowest amount of beta-carotene, and bright red ones have the highest. You can satisfy the body's need for a useful substance by consuming animal products, milk, cottage cheese, butter, liver. However, the amount of beta-carotene in them is significantly lower. The source can be synthetic drugs, dietary supplements. These include Vitoron, Triavit, Betavitin, Solgar, Oxalic, Vitrum, Synergen. Supplements can be purchased without a prescription. Before taking the product, it is recommended to consult a specialist. Daily rate. The daily intake of beta-carotene is not the same for different populations. So, women from 19 years old require 4.5 milligrams of the substance per day, men of the same age 5 milligrams. If we consider the age group from 9 to 18 years old, the norm of beta-carotene for girls is 2 milligrams, for boys, and boys 2.5 mg. Girls aged 1 to 8 years need 0.65 mg per day, boys of the same age 0.7 mg. When is beta-carotene recommended? The need for it increases if the activity is associated with constant physical activity, and if a person goes in for sports. Women during pregnancy, lactation also need an increased amount of the substance. Beta-carotene is recommended in the following cases: diseases of the vessel, heart, ulcers in the gastrointestinal tract, erosion of mucous membranes, decreased vision function up to its complete loss against the background of vitamin A deficiency, deterioration in the growth, development of the child, poor condition of the skin, teeth, hair, nails, weight loss, decreased immunity, frequent infectious diseases, diarrhea, prevention of oncological diseases. Supplements with beta-carotene are prescribed according to the indications specified in the instructions. They are often used for immunodeficiency, prevention of age-related changes. Other indications: prevention of destruction of mucous membranes, exposure to low radiation exposure, X-ray examination, laser treatment, poisoning with pesticides. A dietary supplement containing beta-carotene can be included in the complex treatment of photodermatosis, protoporphyria, ultraviolet allergy, phototoxic reactions, vitiligo. How to improve the absorption of beta-carotene? It should be noted that almost 30% of carotene is lost during heat treatment, therefore, if possible, you should eat raw vegetables and fruits. Foods break down better if you make mashed potatoes and gruel from them. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble, so it is recommended to add vegetable oil and sour cream to a healthy dish, for example, grated carrots. Nutritionists advise eating freshly prepared food. It is recommended to design the menu in such a way that 2/3 of the beta-carotene norm comes from plant products, and 1/3 from animal products. It is better to store vegetables and fruits at T up to 25 degrees Celsius, so the nutrients in them will be preserved longer. It is necessary that the diet contains a sufficient amount of fat, otherwise beta-carotene will not be absorbed correctly. To improve absorption, it is recommended to combine nutrient-rich foods with foods containing vitamin E, zinc. In this way, the oxidation of beta-carotene can be prevented and its absorption can be enhanced. Drug interactions. Beta-carotene impairs the effect of drugs that are supposed to lower cholesterol levels, reduce the absorption of substances, orlistat, weight loss agent, proton pump inhibitors, drugs that stimulate the secretion of bile acids. Drinking alcohol while you are taking beta-carotene can cause hepatotoxicity and reduce its ability to convert to retinol. Overdose. Beta-carotene is not able to cause hypervitaminosis A, however, if it is consumed excessively, the skin can acquire a yellowish-orange tint. The process is reversible, you just need to stop taking dietary supplements and or reduce the content of foods rich in carotenes in the diet. The body independently regulates the amount of synthesized vitamin A. If it is enough, the process of carotene conversion is weakened. The remaining substance is sent to storage in adipose tissue, from where it is released if necessary. So beta-carotene is a safe source of vitamin A. If the daily requirement is exceeded, it is not able to cause hypervitaminosis A. However, according to the latest scientific data, this statement began to be considered valid only for natural sources of the substance. Scientists also believe that long-term intake of dietary supplements with beta-carotene increases the likelihood of lung cancer in smokers. Thanks for watching.